Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. Michael Manley Pitney. Yeah, man, up on the case again. He's showing a picture. I show it on my bill with my Usain Bolt. For 2003, 2000, yes. Then tiny. This is show it a bill. This is the back part of the shirt. Yeah, man, with the man, you can see mother and father and some achievement at the time when they mash up World Junior Games. Yeah, man. So I'm going to turn on right now, brother. I'm going to turn on now and show on the front part of the shirt. You know, see it. Created by Michael Manley Pitney. You know, see it. One time you was the name, yeah, man, Bed Miller. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. Usain Bolt. Yeah, man. This is when they mash up World Junior. A stadium. Right now in backyard. Yes. Yeah, man. Usain Bolt. The greatest Jamaican ever. My hero. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Now hear me now. Why that's me can, as I tell my brethren, certain people say, but me can't write down nothing and look in front of it and talk, you know. I have to speak out of my heart, you know, brother. Yes, Iyah, because you know, me go, you know, topic I go address right now. Yes, as I say, I'm try and make it in a seat. Make it be half an hour. And excuse me manners if I'm not telling a good morning, but good morning to all viewers and subscribers on the voice of Bed Miller. Yeah. So I say now, this is one name, I'll try to come close as possible. You know, see it? This is one name from nothing to something. You know, see it? My hero, Usain Bolt. My hero, Usain Bolt. You're the greatest Jamaican ever. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. This is a picture here. This is a picture here. It's no AI picture. This is a picture you see with Bolt, yes, sir. In a seat. For nothing. Can I call the one in a man for nothing, you know? A big one. Alright, see it now. My waist is the one for a while. Yeah, man, my hero. A dem a man, you know. Yes, sir, for nothing. This is where Usain Bolt come from. For nothing. This is Usain Bolt. This picture, before me start talk, this picture was taken by me. This is me the original. Want to know me the original one for this picture here. In a seat. This is a picture taken in a 2002. After Bolt them. After Bolt and Sherika Iyah and Sherika Harriet and the Sprint Melly boys them. Nib Sprint Melly boys them in the seat. When winning gold medal at champs. Yeah, man. Yes. Alright, come go for the one and show now. Come have them there, brother. Come and touch on certain topic. See it ya. See it ya. Sherika Harriet. You know, see it. And Bolt and Nandi Slow and it's a brother must name Dane and Pablo. I don't quite remember what some youth name. But them are the Nip School kids them. When we win the well and national champs 2002. That's why I have to big up Mr. Miles now, you know. Because Nip School track and field on the rise again, you know. Nib school track and field rise again. And Nib school drive fear. Pan other school now. Because Western champs have gone a GC faster. And Nib come second behind States. States are going to beat them by 28 points. You understand me? Yes. Yeah, man. And that States beat them by. Yeah. So Nib must get 205 points and States get 228 points. So, as I say, big up Mr. Miles and big up Mr. Wright and big up the Nib School's coaching staff. Because Nib track and field and the rise again. Because they come third in the girls. States come first, Multalville come second, and Nib come third. You know, see, so as I say, big up States, big up the alma mater States. Because you know, easy if you beat States when you come on to, you know, see, because States are Western champs bully. You understand me? So when you come on to Western champs, you know, easy if you beat States. So big up the alma mater States. I'm I'm divert from my argument still. You know, see, I go back straight to my argument right now. But as I say, big up States. You know, see, for the 2025 Western Boys and Girls Champions. And big up Nib 2025 Western Boys and Girls. They come second on the boys, you know, see, and they come third on the girls. So big up all the coaching staff of States and Nib and all the student athletes that will take part, you understand, for States and Nib. Yes, but now go back to my argument now. To my main topic I want to talk about right now. Because I want to cross angle and misery right now. This is brother here. This is youth here. And the perfect example. You know, see it? For your youth, for someone come from the grassroots of Jamaica, come from a poor family background. You know, see it? Yeah. Yeah, man. And use him talent and gift for God gave him. And become one of the most famous men in the world right now, out of Jamaica. As a matter of fact, he might be the most famous person out of Jamaica right now. Come out of Jamaica. This Aboriginal. I'm glad to me have the pictures you have to show for the man that come from nothing. Because see the man here, in him, khaki shot and nib. In khaki shot and nib. They call khaki shot nowadays dirty shot. Because they don't call the khaki shot, they know dirty shot. When you wear khaki at school, they call it dirty shot. When you wear and a 6 form, you wear them wild shot. See the man with in a dirty shot here, with the first medal. They say the medal when you win a champs. Come show the picture a while ago. In a 2002, 200 meter gold medal when you win a champs. And at the same time, I set the work, because both have a record for 200 meter champs on a bucket, you know. At the time when they mash up champs and in a seat, and come back at school. In a seat. So I feel give thanks to Mrs. Lee. See my Mrs. Lee, yeah? Me have the whole pictures them, you know. Me say me have the whole of the sporting life story upon picture, you know, whole time picture them. Me have them, you know. Bed Miller, you know. Michael Manley Pitney have the whole of the school history and sports, you know. Yeah, man. So, see Mrs. Lee, yeah? As she boss me, as she allow me to take picture upon the school compound for $50. I say me glad for know so Mrs. Lee allow me so me can have picture for sure where Usain Bolt come from. Because no for no know about Usain Bolt. No for no know where this youth come from. I mean know where I come from. Because Usain Bolt and my kids them go to school together. Yes. Because I can draw a picture with my boy. Are ready? Yeah, man. See my boy, yeah? Bucky. My firstborn. Bucky and Usain Bolt born the same year and the same month. Bucky born the 10th of August 1986. Usain Bolt born the 21st of August 1986. Yes. So Bucky a couple days older than Bolt. The same time Bolt coming to the world, at the same time my first son coming to the world. So Usain Bolt come like a son to me. That's me feel. That's me have the passion. And me feel hurt how Usain Bolt hurt right now. Yes, me feel hurt when hurt. See my second son now, Nev. Him in the nib school to when both the nib. But in the lower grade. And this is my family tree. This is my family tree. See me here. First born, second born, third born, first grand pitney, second grand pitney, and the last Godale lamb. Come to show me what more grand pitney. Come my pitney going my kids them, yeah man, me look for grand pitney fan for my second born. You know which age you have pitney yet still. Cause you still young. In the England. No, sure. In the America. In the America. In a seat. That's why I always big up my two baby mother them, you know. In a seat. Justin Fairweather. Demisha Gibson. And Justin Fairweather. Demisha Gibson and Justin Fairweather. Yes. See before the granddaughter, yeah, 2 pick the buck you get. And they've get 1. So my kids will go and breed up woman and take care of them. You know, see it. All my 3 boys them and their mother force them out of my back. Yeah man, because I'm going and breed up with the woman in really. I 3 pick me get. I mean I want no more. Yeah man, so back to the argument now. My boy and both go to school together. They know about both. And I know about both. Yeah man. In a seat. Yes. I know about Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is my hero. When a youth can come from in a seat, come from nothing. In a seat, me can rest this up. When a youth can come from nothing to something. In a seat, see where I come from now. Within one gold medal in a seat. In a dirty shot. In a seat. And look on the man. What the man achieve. After the man left nip within 1 gold medal. And see what the man achieve, yeah. Yes. Yeah man. Yeah. And it's a youth, yeah. When him a graduate. And have graduation picture, you know. See graduation picture, yeah. This after the graduation done and I go left the school auditorium. We got the graduation ball. This is a Usain Bolt graduation. I'm the only photographer in a seat of Usain Bolt I received him diploma from William the Boy School. When I graduate from school, I have all of them put to the lock. I don't both have them still. I have them see me. This is when he lift up this girl here in a seat before they left for God something there. Left for God the graduation ball at Caribbean show place. Yeah, me did it. When Usain Bolt invite Jermaine Gonzalez, well, him and Jermaine, amount of picture them take. Amount of picture Usain Bolt and Jermaine Gonzalez take with them graduates and basha girls them. Blackie daughter, the whole of them, in a seat. Yeah man, angry, the whole, everybody, in a seat. One girl named Peter, the whole, everybody take picture with Bolt. Then, because them Bolt was a rising star in a track and field back in time there. I went 2003. I mean, in the win World Juniors and start get boss. Yes. So I tell about in graduation. When this a youth that graduate, this a youth that wasn't in top 10 or top 20. In a seat. When it come on to subject passes, it wasn't the top scholar in a graduating bash. But Usain Bolt, he come like me. Because the same amount of subjects him left nib school with are the same amount of subjects me left nib school with. I mean now go talk how much subjects me left nib school with. Me just keep it to my personal thing on certain levels. But me do my own investigation and know certain things. And certain things me just hold certain things. Because I tell people say, I know the amount of subjects you left school with. I know the amount of subjects you left high school with. And what you do after you left high school in the concrete jungle. And all that get them cause nice to get subjects, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. It's nice because my cousin have 21 subjects, brother. I may feel proud of him, but you say if you know be a top scholar in your school. Because my cousin was a student athlete same way. Lando. But not everybody will get the brain if excel. You understand me? But all of me I say, use him both, use him in God-given talent, what God give him. And build an empire. What can't match. So easy when you come on to sports. For anybody from out of Jamaica. You know, see. So this is it. So that's the example if you put forward. So if you go to school and you get 6-7 subjects, don't be life is a failure. Life continue the same way. And the way you come from, and where you want to reach in life, And this youth are the perfect example. This youth if you get national hero. If you get the highest honor in the country. When you stop, just up, because look what one of the Usain Bolt now. Look one of the Usain Bolt right now. Look one of the them because more Usain Bolt you know say you have your true followers them, your true people who love you. You have some people are wagonist, Jamaican people them are some wagonist people them. You have someone no matter of fact, me not talk because take back the word there. More take back the word there. I know every Jamaican people stay so. I know every Jamaican people stay so. But some of them stay so. Some of them are just know you when you're up. And when you don't give a damn about you. Some of the Jamaican people are the most, some of Jamaican people are the most bad mindset of people them. Not for them, some of them Jamaican people come like black crab. They don't want to say like, if you put black crab in a one pan, and when you want to try to come out of the pan, the next one to pull him down. Put black crab in a one bucket, and one to try to come out of the bucket, and next one go pull him down. No for one wants to use him about to fall the most way. So me I tell him said the 2 billion one of thief and bolt. The 2 billion with Barabbas and him friend him thief and bolt. Because we all know about money thief. And bolt come out on the fix and talk about him. 2 years the youth not talk, they would come out now and talk about him money. And the found a different Barabbas in a seat and him friends them in a seat. Talk about the youth do bad investment and all this and all that. Boy, you know no wicked boy, you know wicked, you know better. Look what this youth have done for us. Look what this youth have. Because as I may say, they can't write down nothing in front of me and talk, you know better. I have to just talk out of me something in the one. Out of me thing, I got 60 minutes, you know. I try to bring it to half an hour, you know. But this youth here are the greatest Jamaican ever. The greatest man ever come out of Jamaica. Big up to Bob Marley. Big up to big up to something there. Big up to Marcus Garvey. But when I see the greatness of this youth here, this is where I come from. This youth are the perfect example for sure the youngsters them say. You can't take your God-given skill and take you out of poverty. Because we know all this youth come out of poverty and getting wealth. We know wind up to come out of poverty. Some people are telling them where them start from and they can explain to people how they come by their riches. But we know all this youth come by riches. And I mean I'm quoting a US because at 12.5 million US on the thief and bolt that equivalent to 2 billion Jamaican dollar. The 2 billion Jamaican dollar want to thief and my hero. Now I'm making it better. So I tell my hero to live for the to God on time. You know see? Because you can't thief them things from him. You can't thief in greatness from him. Because the man set a dynasty, the man set a legacy. What shall ever live on. So the thief my hero 2 billion Jamaican dollar. That still can't stop him. Cause my hero now go sit down on sidewalk and begging a bread in a seat. We don't build no drop-in center. Yeah man, for my hero to come sleep in no drop-in center. Uno not build no foul farm. And my here when I come back to Trelawny, come walk and come on the foul, come, in the seat. Come raise no chicken them. A son who want the Jamaican people them to do. You have to go and beg now. You know see, because look on to the playgrounds of Trelawny. And my hero come from Trelawny and no playground for the kids them. And now Mr. Gage come talk about say, him a go put up Usain Bolt statue. Chain of water squirt, chain after now. Because it's a Usain Bolt statue soon put up there. Boy, I'm telling you, brother, I'm telling you, leaders will lead the people them. And the people might kill phone and the ones they want phone. But you see man, come tell us something man here what Usain Bolt. You know see that? So me sit down. Me have him. See the next picture with him, When he mash up character games. And come with him and touch back on him with him 4 character medal. Me have them. Me have the whole of Usain Bolt life story picture. Sporting life story. You know see. When you achieve. Before you get greatness. This is you to come from far. Everything they say you to achieve. This is a perfect example. This is you to be national hero. In a seat. In a country. So it can inspire the youth them. You understand me? To say you can come from nothing to something. Yes. So me I tell you. Same first coach. In a seat. Marvin and see the whole of them. Sherika same way. This is some great sporting some youngsters for Nib. Marvin the whole of them. You know, all look at identify them things. Enough thing we can talk about them. I don't the time does. Now give me But me not telling you no better. You know see. Me not telling you no better. The same school and see the Nips William the by school. And some great sportsmen come out and Nips William the by school. And some educated people. No normal. I'm glad for know say. Me have bold picture. I have to give thanks to Mrs. Lee. I have to give thanks to Mrs. Lee, brother. Me can show now. Just the Prime Minister of Barbados, you know what's your name? Oh, the Prime Minister of Barbados give Rihanna, the girl Rihanna, I'm going to the same age of Bolt. You know see? Because Bolt at 39 this year, just like my son at 39, Bolt at 39 this year. And Rihanna, who's alive still. Yeah man, she's a billionaire because of entertainment, because of her music skills and so forth and her marketing skills. So the Prime Minister of Barbados give Rihanna the highest honor in our country. The highest honor in our country. So that the young people them at Barbados can see them have a living heroine walking up and down mountains in the world right now. And this is youth. Look what they do for Jamaica. Look what they do for Jamaica. Look what this youth do for Jamaica. And look what they do to the youth right now. You don't want to make you don't want Usain Bolt to be a laughing stock. Because some things my hear about the youth, boy, I have to just shake me and say, boy, I just saw you go. Because if them can't do that to Jesus Christ, look what the same set of people them. Because you have good people in Jamaica, you have loving people in Jamaica, caring people in Jamaica. The same set of people them who chose Barabbas over Jesus are the same set of people them who put Barabbas and a different Barabbas, the same Barabbas mentality people them overboard same way. Are the same set of people them sell up Marcus Garvey for rice. Are the same set of people them who want to try to assassinate Bob Marley when then Bob Marley want to bring peace to you understand me? Bring peace in Jamaica back in the 70s and so forth. When political thing mash up the country and Bob Marley try to unite the two political party them are the same set of people them try to assassinate Bob Marley and Bob Marley take away himself until them plot them thing and kill him. Actually, I don't want to talk certain speech pan YouTube because YouTube is a thing if you know your talk say. I don't want to talk about no killing thing neither pan YouTube. Because if you know your language where you use pan YouTube. But as I say, because them process work before you can go. But me and tell them man say are the same set of people them crucify Jesus Christ. Because look what one to use him both now. Are the same set of people them crucify Jesus Christ. Are the same set of people them sell out Marcus Garvey for rice. Because in Bob Marley sing about the song there. Crucify Jesus Christ. Uno sell out Bob Marley, uno sell out Marcus Garvey for rice. And uno try to assassinate Bob Marley. Uno see man sell out Michael Manley. Uno see man sell out Michael Manley. Look what Usain Bolt have done for us. Look what Usain St. Leopold have done for the people of Jamaica. Yeah man, for 8 years, from 2008 to 2016, the Jamaican, we were proud to be a Jamaican, who live in a Jamaica and who live all over the world. When this man line up the 100-meter finals at the Olympics, because the 100-meter final is the most watched event, Olympic event, during Olympics. Check the history of Olympics coming up in a seat from the sprinting, from Jesse Owens days. Because we don't know history, you know, so we don't know the impact of Olympic Games, you know. Olympic Games are the biggest world when the world come together. And when you have a son of the side of Jamaica, the performance where the man put on for 3 consecutive Olympics and and getting greatness and no nothing significant in the name of the youth. Nothing significant in the name of the youth. A Porsche Shimsi Miller out of good heart we want convert the children in the multi-purpose stadium and name me after him. Usain Bolt Sports Academy. Una some set of wicked set of people, you know. Uno set of people, you know. Because uno know rate the sports people, you know. Uno gonna use them. Yeah, man, for on the tourism thing. That's why Gauger I go put up bold picture for tourists you see. I just tourism I don't care about. Because I tourism on the main foreign exchange. That's when I building a dropping center. Because you want on tourists on street people up in the town. When you can't trick people, you know, man. But you can't trick Michael Manley Pitney, you know. I mean, I'm preach politics, you know. Because I say I'm not PMP, you know. Me and Michael Manley Pitney, because this is the only Prime Minister what different poor people, what support poor people, just like Jesus standing for the poor people them. Yeah man. Marcus Garvey different poor people, but Marcus Garvey when they mobilize the black people them and back to Africa and all them sitting there. You know see it? Because black people want the entire world. Black people they want Africa. Black people the first person on earth. We the black race. No disrespect to white people, Indian people and Chinese people. Where the foundation of we are God chosen people. And every time God send in prophet amongst you, you try to murder them. You know see it? And try to bring them down. God rise this youth out of Jamaica. Rise him out of Jamaica. We show poor people pity say, you know see it? If he's at the top, if you know pass 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6 subject, life is not a failure. You still can make it in life out of poverty. This is the poor youth in a dirty shot. His mother and father, you see it? I don't see mother and father them shot back here. If you can't see it, good, you can't catch it. Yes. Yeah. Me know the man. Me know his mother and father. Because when time me taking graduation picture them and me can't see him, me print some of them and me give him father for game. His mother and father, them, both mother and father now pass me. His mother is a nice lady, always give a nice smile. And them people that God-fearing people. Because I know say both mother and father, you know see, believe in the God of the Bible. Both mother and father believe in the God of the Bible. That's why it's the end time both run, both crossing out and point to the sky. No funny talk about both Illuminati, both this and both that. A God run this youth here. That's why they want to know how this youth run so fast. Mr. Glenn Mills said this man get the most tests. Most testing go through. You know see it. Because in one Jamaican people him thief 2 billion from him. 2 billion in one Jamaican him thief from him. You know see it. I'm glad if you know say Olympic organization and world athletics never take in none in individual gold medal from him. Like how they take from Ben Johnson and him and there. He have them same way. In personal, he have the 300 meter and 200 meter gold medal. And 2 of the sprint relay gold medal. Because 9 Olympics, I don't talk about World Games. I talk about Olympics. And 9 Olympics gold medal. Usain, my Iyah get 9 of them. Because see there? See there? You see the one from the dirty shot. The one on the dirty shot. See me now. And see me again. If you can see clearly. Because I have nothing to slide for my YouTube channel. I use my picture of them. So I'm glad say they don't take away medal them because that they want to try if you do. Especially American people them who know the sporting thing. Usain Bolt are the only man, and Usain Bolt are the only man make America bow to him. Gatling bow to Usain Bolt. It's just you know the history of Olympics games and sprinting. When I think different, but we don't know nothing at all about sports. We don't have this passion about sports. We don't follow sports when the athletes in the on top. But we know the history of sports. You know see? We know about Raymond Stewart, Donald Corby. You know see? You know see? Donovan Bailey, Jamaican parentage. You know see? When him and I threw me a talk in my mind full of the oldest sprinter to win come from England. To win a 100 meter final. Linford Christie. At the oldest man at 38 years old, he win an Olympic gold medal. And the other final, when he try to defend it in the false start and cause, yeah man, he come from Jamaica too. Jamaica, and them come from Jamaican parentage. I don't want to touch about Ben Johnson, who come from farm so. I just have Ben Johnson come from. When he broke the record, and you see, I saw Olympics 1988, and then take it from him and all them sit because you know what Ben Johnson story go. That's why them everything. But what? Knowing people them thief 2 million from him. But what they can't take in history. They cannot take away in history. I don't know if they go try and figure science, figure out test back all in you in them. They go try that, you know. They go try everything, you know. And say, boy, even the one on the drugs, you know. You don't know them people in the world, you hear me? You don't know them people in the world. That's why they say, boy, them say, him say one with drugs because they can't believe 9.58. This a man are the greatest man come out of Jamaica. Because that sportsman are the true discipline. In a seat. A man who takes sports serious. Yeah man. Yeah man, a man who takes sports serious embedded in such a way. You have a discipline to achieve such goal. 3 consecutive Olympic 100 and 200 meter champion. Can never be broken. Not so easy. In a seat. Because Noah try to be like Bolt. And Tobago sink Noah Ark sink, you know. Only thing Noah can brag about Noah are a shatter, you know. Only that he can brag about, you know. The Jamaican girl. And I have shatter life story too. I have Jenny Bloomfield life story. You know, see it. Pan picture. From nothing to something same way. God sent me upon the world for a reason. Half an hour now. I tell you better, I didn't plan for chat so long, you know, better. Because I'm not done chat yet. I'm not done chat yet. I'm planning to not chat for no long, better. Because nobody's got a long talking, nobody now really somebody, but as what I say, from nothing to something. The greatest Jamaican, this is one of the greatest man come out of Jamaica. Big up to all of the man from the past. This is one if you get national hero. Only give Buster Manti and Norman national hero. If you say boy, there was a forefather of independence. But all know Jamaica still not independent. All know one of them fight now for what one don't know that not do for 1962. Because all the England in 1962 take off a chain take off on the chain but still control on the burn same way. Because una swear allegiance to una used to swear allegiance to the Queen and now una swear allegiance to the King. Una talk about una independent. And this man if you get national hero. This man if you get national hero in the country. So the youngsters them can look on them living hero and look on this up board the most way. But me I tell my son because you big enough gonna be your daddy. Because you and my son are the same age. You're my first born at the same age. Only thing I tell my son, leave them to God on time. Barabbas them, Barabbas and you see it. Me not talk Alibaba. Because someone more dangerous than Alibaba. Barabbas and him 40 thieves them. And him friends them. What thief for 2 billion. Left them to God on time. Left Barabbas to God on time, brother. Because they can't hide from man, but they can't hide from God. My son, you just continue those. Because when you make your money, I'm not you can make back the money in due time. Leave them with the 2 billion, my son. Because them take your money, they take your 2 billion, but they can't take your integrity, they can't take your hard work in a seat. Yes. And they can't take away your ignorance enslave and your knowledge liberate. Because although you don't left school, bag of subject, but me know say, yeah man, you're bright enough and smart enough. Yeah man, to do your thing in this way. Because when me see you put on one interview with Ian Bowen and interview the 3-part interview where you put on with Ian Bowen. You are intelligent youth. When people talk certain things, I'm glad for know say me sit down and watch your 3-part interview. You go like the only person Ian Bowen interview 3-part, the man sit down and the man speak so intelligent. Because when you just start, enough of the people never do it because they say well, you can't talk English good and this and that about you. Enough of them are some wagonnets them brother. Enough of them don't like you for a morning. Because enough of them used to wait a half a pour over you. But God rise you, my son. You're the greatest Jamaican ever live as a man. And he can't take that from you. They can't take your 2 billion, but they can't take that from you, my son. So leave them alone with the 2 billion and continue life, see me. Because you put on your money for your family pension and in TV. You see it? Because we're not educated fool. And we're not fully done. We know that thief your money. Thief them Barabbas and the 40 thieves them thief your money. And now you see how Barabbas people them are treated now though. Same like how them choose Barabbas over Jesus. Jesus was to go to people. Jesus was walk with the people and do heal all man of sick. Raise all the dead. And Barabbas and them people them crucified Jesus Christ. So my son, what you expect them go do to you? What you gonna expect them go do to you? Because my son, the love of money is the root of all evil. And Barabbas love money so much. In a business, Barabbas and in far to thief them. I pay. You hear me, brother? You hear me, brother? The vines have bed me line, brother. I'm going to step out now, you know. I'm going to step out now. Because almost 40 minutes, I mean, I want to chat so long. Yeah, man. Puma. I tell you, I see Puma more than both. Puma. Adi. The Nike show. And the Nike. I never Nike catch funny. It's all about sports. You know what I mean? Sports are my life. We love sports. And when a man disciplined in sports, a man not go burn no ganja, he not go smoke, and he not go drink. Look how my hero body stay. A soft sportsman keep discipline. That God in sports. God lift up the poor people and make you know say, yeah man, if you want healthy living and live long, take part in a sports. These are the greatest man come out of Jamaica. This is one if you get national hero. A statue of Usain if you put up on hip school. Not, yeah man, if you want to put one at something for tourists. Because that's in all I do. I mean, it's the Royal Caribbean and put both statue up there. Both statue for going William Nip School, William Nip High School. Our sports complex. Up on it. We can't talk on. But me cover the topic what me want to cover. This man are the greatest. Respect to Marcus Garvey, Bob Marley, Michael Manley, you know see it. And all the athletes them. You know see? Me not want to touch upon Shelly and Fraser. To me I hear me talk about Shelly and a man girl, you know. Me don't want to touch upon Shelly and Fraser right now, because Shelly and alright on the levels. I both go through some struggle right now. But me I tell my son, leave the money, my son, because you not get back your toe. You're not gonna get back your 2 billion. Then I'll give you back. Then take your 2 billion and then you want to do the 2 billion. But then can't erase the history. It's as long as the Olympic people them and what test people not take away your take away your regards them and don't take away the medal from you. You know see it. You know see it. That they can't take away. They can take away your money because you want Jamaican people then thief your money. And want turn on come want come style you. And that grieve me. And nobody know enough of them people and they no business about you. A Barabbas them business about. A Barabbas them love. You know see it. You see them Barabbas have them up and down through 2020. The 2 years Barabbas have them up and down. They might take to bush. They might do everything. Because they can't play no sports. They can't gather together. They can't entertain themselves. And now the same set of people who run behind Barabbas. You understand me? That's why my son. That's why, you hear me, my son. That's why I keep to myself, my son. I keep to myself. Because them people are sell out. Sell out. Because the love of money are the root of all evil. And Barabbas love money. So when they do anything, that me I say my son, them sell out, them remember saying man, when Pilate put Jesus and Barabbas in front of the people, you know. Barabbas the man call out for now. It's just like what you go through now. And the people them because you come speak out on the fix. And them a different Barabbas and him friends them. That's when time Boots Golden come out and talk about say Barabbas will run the place properly. When the money they missing and Boots Golden come talk against Barabbas and him friends them. Warming girl take on Boots Golden and start cuss out Boots Golden for Barabbas. So my son, I saw the place run. The love of money are the root of all evil. Yeah. But then take your 2 billion, my son, but then can't take away your greatness. They cannot take away your greatness. You're the greatest Jamaican ever. Put all the prime minister them together. You know see, put Norman, Buster, Sangster, Shearer, Michael, Siaga, PJ, Portia, and Barabbas together. None of them, all of them put together don't great like you. All of them put together don't know in the world like you, my son. None of them, all of them put together. You know see, don't know globally, world on the world scene like Usain St. Leo both are the greatest man that's come out of Jamaica alive right now. You know see, the walking living hero, because pay dead people don't want to get hero. You know. This you know see, yeah man, because you all want to get tacky. Me what name? Montague want to get tacky hero. Want to get tacky national hero. Let me say so, you don't have no vision. Pay dead people are dead and gone. Big up to Taki, you know. But this man is alive. You can see him. Not 3 9 run again. When you can, oh, you see me now? As I say enough. The voice of baby, I say enough. I go from the beach now. I go uptown, got the restaurant away food now. Because I get some Johnny cake at them place, you know. I get me Johnny cake and my mother used to give me. And I get me color low and all them sitting in the morning time. Because I'm a soldier. I go on fire side. I just burn fire. This man, I'm my hero. I'm the only man on social media. Yeah man say Usain Bolt to get hero. Not even the Maverick. Oh I Tracy. Who me rate so much. Yeah man. Because the Maverick have them put you know. Oh well, none of them have them put you know. Me the original originator of this put you know. The original originator of this picture. Yeah man. Because Mr. Maurice did tell me say bed don't do that. When they Usain Bolt mash up Beijing, Mr. Maurice said bed don't put up them a picture on social media without a watermark them. Because people go take it and do what they want to do with it. And they chew. So anytime you see this picture here and any of them picture here, any of them picture with Bolt, any of them picture see with Bolt pan, any of them picture with Bolt pan, you see it. Any of them picture with Bolt pan, I made the originator for them. Me. See the 2000 and 2002. This is one I take. At the same time, the one I have. Yeah man. See the same picture here. A 2002 take. 2002. Yes. I tell you that. Yeah man. You know see it? I want to know people. I want to know. I don't want this my same like I this. I don't want this Michael Manley. I don't want this man you are Usain Bolt. You know see it? See my hero, you're my gladiator. You know see it? This is my hero. Yeah man, I'm my hero this is. Usain St. Leo Bolt. The greatest Usain St. Leo Bolt. Yes. Usain St. Leo Bolt are the greatest. Yeah. Yeah man. Him and the greatest Jamaican. Greatest man ever come out of Jamaica. All the prime minister them put together. Don't go like this man. But the impact went globally. This man, the greatest. Okay. So I got us sign off for now. We speak. And that's it. We speak a lot. 47 minutes. I hope some people, if they get 100 viewers on this, I mean, alright. And that's it. Because I prefer if 100 positive people that view me things them. We don't have thousands and thousands hypocrites and bad mindset of people. Because boy, you know, so no wicked, brother. And that's it. The way you treat Bolt right now, you know. From 2008 to 2016, I was the happiest man in Jamaica when it comes to Olympics. Look how sad it be. And you see with them, when him Kishi and Rani and Thompson, they run against Noah, and Noah run left him. And look at the American people, the Marcos and Jairus. Look for the performance, the last Olympics. And when it's a youth, Yeah, man. Half of your 3 square full up. You know, see it. Within a Dutch pot cover the neck. When I celebrate, enough I want to. Enough I want to know. Put Barabbas in front of the youth right now. Because they know that them thief for youth money. Because we not fully done. And we not educated fool. And them thief for youth money. You don't do no bad investment. Them thief for youth money. Barabbas and him friend them thief for youth money. You see it. I don't call him Alibaba. Because I just what the Alibaba come out. Because I say Alibaba in me something. Alibaba and the father thieves. When we used to go Bible school, I'm in a reading book. We about Alibaba in a reading book. But I know about Barabbas from the Bible. Barabbas, what the people them choose. Barabbas the thief. What the people them choose. Instead of Jesus, the man with integrity. If you don't want to, any name you don't want to call him. I want to call him Son of God. And Jaja, 50 minutes, he not go to an hour. Because I do 50 minutes thing and people watch it still and so forth. But now, I don't know. This man is my hero. And my son, then take you 2 billion, but they can't take your greatness. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko.